The first and only all-female CarFest team is back for 2020. And this year, we are taking our charity work to the next level. Not only are we going to volunteer for the entire weekend of CarFest, fixing up a car for free for a family in need, we are also donating a car to the CarFest charity car giveaways. Since we're a small shop with limited funds, we reached out to Pull Apart Auto Salvage in order to make this dream a reality.
Oh my God! You just want a car!
We asked them if they would be willing to be part of this incredible cause and donate a car to us. They said, of course. It took months, but they found us literally the perfect car. Now, let us introduce you to our charity car and our incredible team for CarFest 2020.
Yeah.
Do I have to push it?
Okay. My name's Faye. I work at Pistons PixieDust.
So here we all are at Pistons and PixieDust, and we are checking out our CarFest donation car. We just figured out that it needed a battery, and we've got all the ladies here doing an inspection today.
And I specialize in Toyota Lexus, so like this is like the perfect car for me. This is pretty.
I'm
She works
Brittany.
at Blackman's Garage, and we specialize in everything.
I like working on Chevy trucks the most, I guess.
So this Lexus SUV is perfect for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
We have Brittany from Blackman's Garage, we have Megan, who's my intern, and we've also got Kelly. Hi Kelly, Jasmine, hi, and we are checking out this freaking awesome car. This is a 2003 Lexus RX 300, and this is gonna be an awesome donation car. Check that out. Check it out.
Let's get a team of people checking tires and brakes.
I do, I've got several.
So we are going to measure the brake thickness from Rasta to the other end of Rasta.
Okay, my teacher was like, "What's the official name of it?" And it was so hard for me to not say Rasta stick, because like I know what it is, but I can't say it.
We'll figure out how to plug this in so someone can get an extension cord. And then I also want to do a full inspection of the body. So Jasmine, will you just check out the entire body?
And actually, this is the first time that I've ever been able to like donate a car for CarFest. Like I've done CarFest now. This coming year will be my third year. In your fourth year, you weren't there last year.
I wasn't there last year.
Wait, why weren't you there last year?
I was drag racing down.
And I'll remember that thing. And you also are gonna miss this year.
Yes. So
Because
drag
you're
racing again.
But you are gonna take part in picking up the donation card,
Yes.
which is awesome.
Look at the mileage, by the way.
It's dead.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. All right, great. You reach in there and get it. There you go.
The headlamps are broken.
The headlamps are broken, so where'd you go?
We need a grill.
It comes with the fidget spinner. It's got a tape player in it. I'm so jealous.
CD changer in
There's
here.
a CD changer in there too. This is awesome.
Oh my god.
Hey. Yes.
There we go.
We've got to make sure that all of that stuff works.
Oh, wheel lock key.
Nice. Hey, that's added value right there.
What you doing, Danny?
I'm just checking to see what's going on, any leaks. There's like a lot of rust on some of these
We have a
lines,
shop towel so I can check the oil.
making sure that everything's in good working condition. Seals look okay. Nothing looks out of ordinary, out of place.
Have you spotted anything yet?
Just a lot of rust. There's a. Be so happy.
There we go.
I wonder if it works.
My name is Danny, and I am a BMW technician for BMW San Antonio, and I also teach Intro to Automotive Technology at St. Philip's College.
Are you expecting to see anything? Anything odd or something?
Not yet. I mean, it does have over 100,000 miles on it, so since we don't know what the service history is of it, it's good to just check out everything, especially we don't know how long it's been sitting.
Fair enough.
I love volunteering and I love volunteer work, and so this is kind of like one of those things where I get to take that volunteer work to like the next level and help somebody that really needs it.
Absolutely. And one thing to note too is that we're gonna have to look out for 90K mileage stuff. For Toyotas and Lexus, 90K is like a huge interval. It's when you do timing belt, when you do like basically a flush of everything. It's when you do spark plugs. We should definitely pull the timing cover back and see if it's been done because I don't see any stickers on it. I'm assuming we're probably gonna have to do the timing belt, which is fun. These motors also are known for like burning a little bit of oil, so we'll just make sure that it hasn't been overheated by checking any markings on the dipstick with the oil. Okay, yeah, so see right here, it's been...
Being part of this group is obviously we're like the most fun group.
We're the best group.
We're the best group. We're the best CarFest group.
I think so. We're biased. This is gonna be your second CarFest?
Yes, this is my second CarFest. This is the first time I'm going to be part of working on a donated car.
So we've got 10 millimeters in the front brake pads and 5 millimeters in the rear brake pads. The front rotors aren't that bad, but the rear rotors are severe.
Okay.
So we're going to price match and see if it's more cost efficient to just replace all of them. So far it looks like we have 530 seconds in the tread for all 4 visors. Do a test drive to see if there's any road noise, excessive vibration, and flat spots. So just because the tread is at 530 seconds and it's above the wear bar, that doesn't exactly mean that the tires are in good condition until we actually test drive them.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
And now that I've volunteered once, I know what to do and what not to do this time, so I'm definitely going to be stretching. Because like the only downside to it was working consistently for 3 days straight with no breaks.
We went hard.
I'll remember to eat and stretch this time.
Yeah. Eat and stretch this time. Noted.
Eat and stretch this time. I'm gonna remember that. But yeah, aside from that, it's a lot of fun and I can't wait.
Well, Danny used up all the answers.
I'm sorry.
Well, if it was just a little bit of rust, I would say let's just turn the rotors and we can resurface them and get that rust off of there. But this looks pretty severe to the point where it's deteriorating the actual edges of the rotor, and I think the amount of machining that we'd have to do to get rid of that, it would end up putting the rotors below the minimum allowance.
Okay.
So,
Oh yeah, that's pretty broken.
probably recommend replacing
Driver's
it.
side, rear,
Okay.
side marker.
Hey Faye, these rotors and calipers are severely rusted.
Yeah, it's gnarly.
They're really bad.
Oh man, those are awful.
Like, I wouldn't even machine those. They're much too hard.
Yeah, we might have to do a full pad and rotor swap all the way around front end. That's gnarly. And let's price check them and see how much it is to just replace them. I think that we'll find out on the test drive really quickly if they're warped. But you know, a lot of times in the rears you can reuse these, but I don't know if I feel comfortable reusing those because they're so bad, you know?
Yeah.
2003 Lexus RX 300. That looks good. Yeah, it's fine. It's brand new. We will keep that.
Well, I'm Kelly. Do you want us to pop the little Lexus cover off?
Yeah, we need Allen keys.
Oh, we need Allen keys for
It
that?
looks like about a 5.
Aside from the fact that I just get to work with a group of really awesome women and learn and encourage each other through this process, I do really appreciate the volunteer aspect and the part of giving back to the community. I think that's bug or whatever it is out there. With my bare fingers. With my bare fingers.
Professional.
You know what, girl? I'll touch a bug for this CarFest car.
I don't want it up under my fingernails.
When I retired from the military, the reason I decided that I was going to become a mechanic was to have a skill that I could use to either for myself or for my friends and family to make sure that we stayed mobile because it's so important to our lives, especially here in Texas.
Oh yeah.
Getting to work is, having the car is vital. It's important to me to be able to maybe help a family or somebody who, would otherwise be in dire straits without a vehicle. And so I think that's one of the loveliest things that CarFest provides for people.
I'm gonna put it on engine start. All right, come on.
At 1.9.
Oh my god, baby, come on.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna start.
So close.
It's at 1.9 now.
I'll take the medium grade. Excellent. Volunteer on her way. All right.
Better get going. All right, here we go. Woo! Lola got some pickup. Hello. You're welcome. All right, got the battery.
Actually, this is the first time that y'all have met, right?
No.
Oh.
In her class. Yeah. My class.
Oh yeah, duh.
I thought she was way older, and then I found out her age. I was like, dude, oh shit, she's a minor. The fact that you're already like learning all this at such a young age, it's fucking badass, you know. So
she started apprenticing with me when she was 15. You've already got a lot of automotive experience under your belt. Man, that's a big battery. Jeez, I didn't realize that I was asking you to pick up, Megan.
I mean, I've done a lot, but I don't. But you know what happened. Right now, like the girls are going through, and I'm low-key kind of intimidated. I'm like, man, they know so much. But,
oh yeah.
You know, right now we're beginning. It's like it's crazy because I'm at work and I do all this stuff, but then I come and I'm like, they're naming off all these things and the technical terms and stuff, and I'm like,
Oh, yeah, but at least you have a job.
yeah.
Like, you're exposed to this every day. The belt looks old as shit.
It's like, oh man, that will have to be done for sure.
And everybody's encouraging, and if you don't know, they're willing to like share their knowledge. They don't hesitate to share it with you. Definitely honored to be on the team and to be, like you said, a group of badass chicks that know so much, you know. So I definitely feel like I'm gonna learn a lot and be able to take it to my work and be able to use it. So
The goal is like all of us have skills that that other ones don't have.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of like teaching of each other using like this car, and then not only does like it benefit all of us, but then it benefits like the family that gets it.
when it's your passion, like yes, it's a long day, but it kind of goes by fast too. It's, you're doing what you love, you know. Yes, exactly. Yeah.
So we're going to be doing a lesson on compression leak down tests, like checking engine health, headlight restoration, which I don't know how to do.
I don't know how to
so
do it.
I'm like excited to learn that because then I can like offer it to my customers. It's something I've never been taught, you know? Brittany does alignments, which I also don't do. Brittany does a lot of stuff, yeah. She's a badass thing, yeah. Brittany.
Oh, is that torn? No, it's not. It's not torn.
They come in halves. Okay. In a way, so you can like
Look at half your stuff and not the. My stomach's got that. Oh, that's very fancy.
very fancy. I feel poor.
Is that a full size?
I feel poor.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's another freaking wheel.
It's got a lot of life on it too.
Wow.
The other ones, right?
Yeah, this actually has more tread than the tires that are on the car. Yeah.
All the tools.
All the tread.
Heck
And we have
yeah.
the black key. Man.
That is awesome.
I got the whole package.
Who just showed up? Okay, all right, wait a second. I'll have to explain. Okay, so if some of us look a little rough in this video, it's because Angie had a 30th birthday party last night. They made it. Angie and MJ, Moose.
Oh, yes, 12:30.
It's 12:30. Oh, that's fine. We're doing good.